Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to enter your script for the voiceover on Murf AI. Are you ready to give your project a voice? Let's dive into how to enter your script for the voiceover on Murf AI. So, let us begin. Step 1. Adding your script. In the Murf Studio, locate the text editor. This is where the magic begins. Step 2. Type or paste. Whether you are crafting a new script or have an existing one, simply type or paste your words into the text box. Step 3. Craft your narrative. This is where your words take shape. Feel free to express your message and creativity. And there you have it. Your script is now ready to be transformed into a voiceover masterpiece with Murf AI. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more creative insights, and until next time.